Alright, today we're looking at this cool Sen portable DVD player. It says it's a 16-inch, but I'm not sure about that because most of the reviews I looked at said it's 13.3. So we'll find out in a minute. Let's start by taking it out of the box. Okay, so you see out of the box it comes with a lot of different things. You've got an antenna, so you can actually watch television on it. It's got a car outlet, your normal DC outlet to plug into the wall. It comes with a game controller, a remote control, and then an adapter so you can hook it up to your television. It also comes with the instruction manual. And if we open it up, you see, sure enough, that is a big screen for a portable DVD player. We can measure it, and it looks like indeed 13.3 inches. So while it says 16 inches on the box, this is just a 13.3 monitor, which is still really big for a portable DVD player. It does swivel, so you can set it up like that, especially if you're going to use it in your car. Then you can put the straps around it and put it to the back of your seat so it works as a car. Let's turn it on and try it out. Alright, so if you plug in the USB controller, then you can go ahead, and it has games preloaded, and if you arrow over, it'll give you, it's like 10 pages, there's like over 100 games. So if you go, I just want to play, I think on the second page, it has Mario. So then you just scroll down and it'll say which number it's on. So we'll go down to number 6, hit start. And sure enough, we've got Mario. So, just like old school. I'm gonna pause that because I'm curious. I have an old NES USB controller, so I'm gonna try that one on it, see if it works. So let's pull that one out and put this one in. And let's see, come on. Nope. So it looks like you're stuck with the controller that comes with the player, which isn't the end of the world. It's kind of a cheap controller. It doesn't have the same heft, so it feels a little different, but it works at least. And it works just like an old NES controller, so you can, your start, stop, and then your normal buttons down here, A and B. Actually, though, it's called C and D, and your normal hours. So it works pretty well.